Hey, my name is Victoria Williams, and I'm a student in EDM at the University of South Alabama. And today we're going to talk about how to work the smartboard. To start, you would turn on the smartboard by just hitting the power button twice to turn it on. To calibrate it, you want to hit these middle tools in the center of the smartboard, and it comes up, and you're just going to follow the red arrow. And this just makes sure that the smartboard is working correctly. Okay. And next we're going to go right up here to the smartboard notebook. We're going to double click it. And it's going to come up. Okay. And first what we're going to do is work with text. So you can use your smartboard pens to write. I'm just going to write EDM. So you can use your pen to write, or you can use your finger by typing this marker right here. Now I can use my finger to write. And then if you want to type it, you can hit this text box. Insert your text box, then you would hit the keyboard down here and type it in. Then you can erase it by pulling the eraser up, and you can actually erase it. Or you can hit the eraser with your hand and erase it with your hand. You can even hit this if you want to and delete it actually too as an actual text box. You just hit the delete button. Okay, next we're going to work with objects. You hit the picture button right here. And you can just choose from a bunch of pictures that are available. They're already on the smartboard application. So we're actually going to scroll down. Okay. And here's a bumblebee. You just drag the picture over to the smartboard, and you can actually make it larger or smaller. You can rotate the object if you want to. You can also clone it by hitting the arrow and hitting the clone button, and then it just makes two, and you can move it up. You can actually clone it as many times as you want to. And we're just going to delete these. Okay. And now we are going to work with object animation. So you'll go to the top, and like say that I was teaching numbers and I was trying to distinguish the number 6 and teach my students exactly how many 6 is. I just drag the number over, and then you can actually drag the picture of 6 frogs to help distinguish how many 6 is. And then we can actually just go over here. We can hit object animation up here. And when you hit object animation, you hit type. You're going to click fade out. And when I touch it, it's actually going to fade in and out when I want it to. There we go. And you can just go back. And then you go back to done. And then you go back to the home page. We're just going to delete this real quick. Okay. And then to do some multimedia type things to really get your kids involved, you go to Gallery Essentials. Then you're going to scroll down and hit Administration and Evaluation, Enhanced Resources, Interactive and Multimedia. And like they have balloons. You drag the balloons over, you can make it big, and the balloons move up and down. You can do the same thing with the clapping hands. Clapping hands. And you can just delete it when you're done with it. Or if you want to do something else. And then say I wanted to save something that I did. If I had wrote something up here and wanted to save it, I would go to this top right here and hit File. You would hit Save As. This box pops up. You hit the keyboard, you can type it in, and you hit Save. And that is it on our Smartboard lessons today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's see here.